In this video, we are going to see that if you want to view your browsing history and basically delete any particular browsing history by group, or you want to clear the history altogether, how we can do that. In Google Chrome, just click on the three dots and just go and find history. Here it is. And you can just directly click on history. Here we have the history by date and history by group. So let's say for yesterday, you want to delete a particular history like this one, or you want to delete all the history or a couple of items. What you can do is just select this first one, hold the shift key and select the point up till you want to delete the history, and then hit delete. Click remove. And you can also check it by group. As you can see, there are different websites accessed multiple times. So if we access it by group, all of them will be binded in group so that you can easily remove all the history from a particular website. And also if you want to clear all the history together, just click on delete browsing data on the left. And here you can select that do you want to delete it just for the last hour, last 24 hours, 7 hours, or 7 days, or 4 weeks, or all the time. So let's remove this for last hour, which is set by default. Let's delete the data, and that's how you can delete it. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.